Big or small, can you tell? Opposites will ring your bell. Up or down, spin